The COVID-19 pandemic has led to a shortage of personal protective equipment all across the country, thus forcing hospitals to get creative with how to stretch supplies. Now, a plant in Central Oregon is stepping up to help be part of the solution. Fox 12's CAMILA ORTI shows us how they've changed gears to join the fight against COVID-19.
Hospitals are doing what they can to keep their healthcare workers protected during this PPE shortage. In many cases, that means reusing PPE that's designed for single use. Well, Providence Health here is now getting shipments of restored PPE from a company called MEDLINE. Providence getting several boxes of masks in earlier this week. Masks their healthcare workers have already used to the point of exhaustion. But instead of going in the trash, these masks have been restored.
We're not pretending that that's going to solve the crisis of PPE, but it's certainly, if it's a bridge and it helps in some small way, we're excited.
Frank CZAJKA is the president of MEDLINE Renewal, based in Redmond, Oregon. The company typically sanitizes single-use medical equipment, but had never done surgical masks and N95s. That is, until last week.
We have about a 15-year history of sterilizing facial protection products in other businesses of MEDLINE. So we knew the masks would respond well to that cycle.
That cycle he's talking about uses a chemical called ethylene oxide to decontaminate the used masks without damaging them. That's after workers have already gone through and manually inspected each mask to make sure there's no tears or makeup or oil stains.
Once they come out of sterilization, we're sorting them again, casing them up and sending them right back.
With Renewal's capacity to sterilize 100,000 masks per day, Providence health workers say this could make a big difference.
This is really going to help us protect our caregivers in Providence. These masks and the processes at Renewal undergo FDA assessment and approval. Prior to them coming back to us, the FDA has gone in and said, yes, your process is valid, your process is safe.
CZAJKA told me MEDLINE Renewal is now starting to receive and send shipments of masks all over the country, including New York City. Reporting in Southwest Portland, CAMILA ORTI, Fox 12 Oregon.